Good day everyone, I welcome you to this part of this training. We are going to be starting the training. Yes, practical has just started. Alright, my name is Abanomi Aija, the CEO of Creations Concept. You are welcome to this video editing training. Alright, in our last video I've already explained some of the things that you are going to learn from this training. Right, this is a video editing course with screen recording. As a matter of fact, I've already told you guys that we are going to be using the Camtasia 2022. Right, the Camtasia 2022. And I've already showed you how to download and install the Camtasia 2022. So in this training, we're just going to go through the Camtasia 2022 interface. Right. Once you click on this Camtasia Studio, it will now bring you up to this page. Alright. If you are opening it for the very first time, after you've already cracked it, it will bring you to this page. You won't have any recent project or anything here. Alright, just click on new project. Click on new project. So it will now load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, the Camtasia Studio has already loaded up. So just check, we have so many tabs and so many menus here. Alright, we have so many tabs and so many menus here. If I want to cover all these things in this video, it won't be easy for me to cover everything in this video. But in our subsequent video, we are going to cover everything. But I would like to explain some things that you need to know as a basic, which will be the basic ones for you. You understand? Now, as you can see, we have this media. Right? Okay, first of all, let's go over to our file. Now, this file, it is when you want to create a new project, you want to import template, open project if you have any existing project at all, recent project, we have home, save, and all that. Alright, now let's move to this media. Now, this media, it is basically a place whereby whatsoever at all you want to make use on your timeline, this is where everything will be placed. Right, probably you want to import anything from your computer. All you just need to do is to click on this import media, or you click on this place, import media. Alright, so it is very easy as that. So let's assume we want to import any media. What we just need to do is either you click on Ctrl-I on your keyboard, as you can see, Ctrl-I on your keyboard, or let me just close this. Close it. Either you click on Ctrl-I on your keyboard, or you come over to this place, alright, and click on import. So whatever you want to import, you cannot import it on your media pane. Alright, this place we call this place media bin. Now the next one here is our library. Now this video, I'm not going to waste more time in this video. I'm going to use another section to cover the rest of this interface. Right, so we are going to have like two sections for the Camtasia Studio interface. Now we have this media. Right, this media is basically, probably you need anything for your video editing. Probably you need the audio, you need the call out. As you can see, we have audio here. Alright, we have audio here. Double click on it, it will display. So we have different audio here. Alright, so the next one is the call out. Don't worry, we are going to make use of everything in this training. Is the call out. We've seen this type of call out in some videos that will count down and all that. So we are going to make use of all this in this training. Alright, so we have the channel kit, the cursor animation, the cursor pack, the emphasis effect, and everything. Alright, we also have the fields and overlays, we have the icons and glyph, we have the structures, we have the titles, and we have the UI kit. Now let's move to our favorite. Now this favorite is basically, if you select, it's basically for the selected file. Alright, if you select any file to be in your favorite, probably you frequently use those files. You frequently use your files, you can just mark them as your favorite, so that anytime you need them, you can just come over to your favorite to pick them. I hope you understand. You also have the annotations. Alright, you also have the annotation, like this annotation. Let's bring it to the screen. You also have the annotation. As you can see, this type of annotation, we normally use it for probably you want to call out something, or probably you want to make a reference for something. Alright, you can make use of this annotation, you can make use of this comment, you want to make comments and all that. Don't worry, we are going to use all these in our subsequent videos. I hope you understand. Now we also have the transitions. We have the transitions. Let's go back to our transitions. As you all know, the transition is just for you to change, for you to transit from one state to another. Probably you have two different video and you want to transit from that video to the next video. This transition makes it more appealing, it makes it more good for you to transit from one video to another. So let's assume you want to transit from this to this. Alright, just come over to this section. Let's drag this one here. I want to transit from this one to this one. Let's just extend this one. Come over, let's extend this. Now you can just select any transition at all. Just come over here, drag it. You hold down your left click and drag it. Alright, just drop it on it. Now let's click on spacebar. Let's check the transition. It is very slow, it is too slow. Okay. As you can see how beautiful it is. That is how to make use of our transition. We have a lot of transitions here. Alright, we have a lot of transitions here. So we also have a behavior. Now this behavior is basically, probably you have a text. Alright, you have a text and or anything, even if it is this annotation that you are seeing here, and the way you want it to behave when entering the scene and when going out of the scene. Right, that is what we call the behavior. Now if you want it to drop, jump and fall, you can just select the behavior and drop it on it. Now let's go back to it and you see item drop. Can you see? That is the work of the behavior. So we have so many behavior here. So we also have the annotations. Now this annotation is in two parts. So we have the zoom and pan. We also have the animations. Now for this zoom and pan, probably you're working on a course, you understand, and which covers the whole screen of your system, and you wish to enlarge one part of your screen. Alright, what you just need to do is come over here and drag it here. Can you see? It make it more zoom. It zoom the interface of your system. That is the work of the zoom and pan. And if you should come over here, you will see this sign here. Can you see? Once you move it forward again, you can also create another zoom and pan. Now let's just click on play now, you see hi today. Can you see? Now that is the work of this zoom and pan. I hope it is clear like that. So let me just move it. Now let's go over to these animations. Now these animations, don't worry, in our subsequent video we are going to make use of all these animations. Right? We're going to make use of all these animations. We are going to make use of all these animations to create a watermark for your video, in case there is any you know, we have a lot of people that is trying to steal someone's content, trying to steal someone's videos. So with the help of this animation, with the help of this watermark on your video, people will be able to contact you that it is you that have the course, right? The course is originally belongs to you. So you can put an animation, sorry, you can put a watermark on your video. So you can use all this one to create the watermark. Alright, so we also have the scale up and all that. So don't worry, in our subsequent videos we are going to cover everything about these animations and all that. So this is going to be the end of this video. In our next video we are going to continue with the rest of the interface of our Camtasia studio. Bye.